So hello node runners. Today I'm gonna show you how you can run a node in 0gLabs. It is currently in tested mode, and OG is a data availability and data storage system that is focusing to scale Web3. Also it's designed to compete Celestia, and all you have to do to participate in the testnet is, of course, as they say, you have several options to participate in the OG testnet depending on the types of services you want to run. And here are the three different services. One is a consensus validator node, one is storage service, and a DA service. I'm just gonna show the validator node, which is the most easiest one, and you can easily participate in the testnet. Also, if it is your first time learning about nodes, I have made a course where you can learn how you can run your own node from start to finish, teaching you the basics, what's a node, what's a blockchain, then going through what's a VPS and Termius, and lastly, teaching you the basic commands and how you can run a node. So if it's your first time, you don't know anything, you can come to the description down below, click the link and come to Udemy. Here you can buy the course. It's on discount right now from $80 to 13. And after this course, you will of course go to the site IT Rocket. The link's down in the description, of course. Come to the installation, and here where it says node name, you can type the name that you want to give your node. I'm just gonna call it video, and in wallet, just type wallet, like so. As you can see, it requires 8 cores, 64GB RAM, and 1TB of space. And if we come to Contabo in VPS section, we can see that VPS 3 can handle it, but due to the 64GB RAM reason, I would recommend to get VPS 4, or better, you could get VPS 5 and also run another node inside it. So what I will choose is VPS 5 if I had the money, VPS 4 if I want to save some money and of course know that my node is running on its own. You wouldn't add any node in the server, but if your finance is strict, you can of course run the VPS 3 and it will run. But if an update comes, it might be lagging. So I would have both three links down in the description and choose whatever you want. Now to start off, if you have rented the server already, or you haven't, open Termius. I have showed you in the course how it works, and now let's begin coding. So of course, let's do the manual installation and start with the dependencies, copy them and paste them to Termius. I'm not gonna do it because I already have done it in previous notes. Now, you must install Go if needed. In order to check, just type Go space version. If a version of Go pops up, you are fine, you don't have to do it. If it doesn't, just copy the commands like so, copy them, paste them to Termius, and you are all done. Now set the variables like so, paste them, and download the binaries of 0gLabs. Wait for the installation to be done. Now that the installation is done, we can continue by setting up the config and the init app. And then of course, we have to download the Genesis and the address book like so. Then set the peers, the seeds, copy them, paste them. And of course set the custom ports in order, for our node to start. Like so. Now of course set up the pruning and the minimum gas prices. Now all is left is to of course create a service. So copy the service, paste it and press enter. Now we have to do a snapshot in order for our node to start running from the latest block and wait for the thing that says time left to be done, and then we can continue. Now the snapshot is done and all is left is to enable our service and of course run it. Run the commands. As we can see, the node is running completely, but you see an error popped up, and all you have to do is come here where it says upgrade and do the manual upgrade like so. Paste it to Termius, press enter, wait for the upgrade to be done, and as you can see, our node is successfully running without any errors. Now to check that our node is running and is syncing with the network, all you have to do is come down here, press the command node info, paste it, and we have to check that the latest blocks go up. They don't. As you can see, they do 52, 53, so our node is completely running. Now, in order to create a validator, because as you can see, they have created an interact quest where it says run OG validator node. Now, in order to do that, we of course have to create a validator, and we have to wait for our node to reach the latest block. So our block is this one, and the network's latest block is this one, so we have to wait a little bit so it syncs up. Until then, let's create a wallet. So copy this command, add new wallet in the cheat sheet, copy it, paste it in Terminus. Now, as you can see, an error pops up named object doesn't exist at path /. Now to fix it, all you have to do is press this command. It will be down below in the description. Paste it like so, and then we can finally create our wallet. Press enter, and now it's asking for a password for our wallet. I'm always using the same one for each node so I don't forget it. And now as you can see, it gave us the 24 words. I'm not gonna show it in the video. Those are the 24 words of the wallet. You just have to copy them somewhere so you don't lose them, because in case of an airdrop, the tokens will be sent to this wallet. Now that you have saved them, you of course have to do OG chain keys list, put the password, and now all you have to do is take this address, copy it, come to the Discord server of OG, and come here where it says faucet. Type /faucet, like so, paste the wallet, press enter. Now you have successfully sent some OG tokens to your wallet. The link for the Discord will be down below in the description, of course. And now that you have sent tokens to your wallet, all you have to do is of course wait for our node to sync up finally. We are back 400 blocks, so let's wait a little bit. And when it's synced up, come back and watch the video from this moment. So as we can see, the latest block height has reached the end, and of course catching up is false. Now all you have to do is come down below where it says moniker, change as I said previously the name that you want to give your validator, and the amount to 1000. Copy the command, come to Terminus, paste it, input the password, and now you have successfully created your validator. Now, in order to check your validator details, copy the command like so, paste the Terminus, press enter, input the password, and as you can see, that we have successfully created a validator. So that was it about 0gLabs node. I hope you found this video useful, and if you have any questions, let me know down below in the comment section. And of course, you could always join my Discord server, link is down below in the description. I share node news and everything new about the nodes. I share additional information that will help you to learn nodes better. And also any question that you have about nodes, not about OG, but generally nodes, I will be here to answer you. So thanks for watching and